In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check grammar on Quillbot. So first of all, this link I'll attach in description below, and when you click, you are redirected to this website and easily for access. Here are the lots of options you can check here. So I click on grammar check, then paste my right hand. Then you can see this is 66 word. You can see here are the lots of mistakes, keyword. Just accept all, just click on here on each by each. YouTube, just YouTube, again on YouTube. Then if you want to fix this all problem, just click on accept all. You can see this writing plagiarism free and spelling without any spelling mistake. So just copy and use. If you hope this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe the channel. See you again. Take care. Bye.